Daniel, can I sit here with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
I noticed you left the meeting early. Are you okay?
I don't know. I thought I was okay, but I guess I'm not.
It's all right. You don't have to pretend with me.
Everything feels too heavy today. I tried my best, but it still wasn't enough.
I'm really sorry you're feeling this way. Do you want to talk about it?
I worked on that project for weeks. Late nights, early mornings, and then they said it wasn't good enough.
That must hurt a lot. Anyone would feel upset.
I feel like I failed. Like I let everyone down.
Daniel, listen to me. One project does not define you.
I know that, but it doesn't feel that way right now.
Feelings don't always follow logic, and that's okay.
I'm tired of being strong all the time. Sometimes I just want to stop trying.
It's okay to rest. Resting is not quitting.
I'm scared that if I stop, I won't be able to start again.
You will. You always do.
How can you be so sure?
Because I've seen you before. I've seen you fall and stand back up.
I didn't expect today to be like this.
Bad days don't ask for permission. They just arrive.
I hate crying at work. It makes me feel weak.
Crying means you care. That's not weakness.
Thank you for staying with me. I didn't want to be alone.
You're not alone. Not now, not ever.
I don't know what to do next.
You don't need to know right now. Just breathe. One step at a time.
Okay, I'll try.
That's enough for today. Trying is enough.
Maybe tomorrow will be better.
Maybe it will. And if it's not, we'll handle that too.
I really appreciate you. More than I can say.
I'm glad I could be here. Now, how about we get some water and take a short break?
Yeah, that sounds good.